While researching Etsy, I found some really interesting digital products that are getting a lot of sales. And the best part is these products are actually very simple to create. For example, some of these listings have hundreds of reviews and many people currently have them in their basket, which usually means the demand is very hot. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 digital products that are selling really well on Etsy, and anyone can create these. So let's get started. The first product is this paper doll dress-up activity for kids. This is a digital printable where kids can dress the doll with different outfits for each season. Parents love these kinds of activities because they keep kids engaged and also improve creativity. If you look at this listing, you can see it has a lot of engagement, and there are multiple people who currently have this item in their basket, which is a good sign that the product is in demand. And the best part is something like this can be created in Canva using simple character illustrations and clothing elements. The second product is preschool learning worksheets, especially number activities. These types of printables are very popular among parents and teachers because they help kids learn numbers in a fun way. Again, if you look at this listing, it has strong engagement and several people currently have it in their basket, which means people are actively interested in buying it. Worksheets like number tracing, counting objects, and number matching are very simple to design. The next product is actually very interesting. These are dual hand tracing worksheets designed to help kids improve brain coordination. In this activity, kids trace lines using both hands at the same time. This helps improve focus and motor skills. This listing is also performing really well, and you can see multiple people currently have it in their basket, which indicates strong demand. These types of brain development activities are becoming very popular on Etsy. Another digital product that sells very well on Etsy is Busy Book Printables. These are activity pages where kids match shapes, animals, colors, or letters. Parents often print and laminate them so kids can reuse them. Because these activities are both educational and fun, they are always in demand. The last product is very simple, but surprisingly popular: kids reward charts. Parents use these charts to encourage good habits like brushing teeth, finishing homework, or cleaning up toys. Even though the design is simple, these products sell consistently because parents are always looking for ways to motivate kids. So these were 5 digital products that are currently selling well on Etsy.